Welcome to The Garden, a channel on practical solutions for turning data into information. In this video, we will review a common and practical solution for measuring average performance. Our goal is to create a new performance measure for average point per game that reflects the defensive ranking of the opposing teams. In this video, we will look at two examples of how you can use the group method to calculate both an average value as well as perform addition. Our first step is to calculate a simple average at the group level using the group method. The first argument of our group method is our data table. For the second argument, we pass the level at which we want to calculate the average, in our case, the player and defensive group. The last argument is the name of the returning column as well as the operation we want to perform on a selected column. A quick peek at our table reveals that Aaron Gordon does well against tough defensive teams, but his performance declines when playing lower-ranked teams. We want a measure that magnifies a player's ability to score against tough defensive teams without losing information on his ability to score against weak defensive teams. To accomplish this goal, we need a numerical value to represent the level of significance each group will have in our story. The level of significance will be captured in the variable called W, which stands for weights. Here are the values. 50% for Group 1, 37.5% for teams in Group 2, and 12.5% for teams in Group 3. So in our performance measure, a point score against a team in Group 1 is the same as 4 points scored against a team in Group 3. For each player, we obtain the contribution of the group to our story and then sum everything up to create our performance measure. Now you have two examples of how you can use the group method to calculate both an average and to do a sum operation. Our new measure gives each performance its deserved spotlight. Top bucket getters are truly great at scoring the ball, and it's hard to hold them down. Joel Embiid stays on top, LeBron James holds his ground. Interesting revelation is that Giannis takes a little dip, dropping 3 spots under Kevin Durant, Luka Doncic, and Trae Young. Remember, this method is not bulletproof. Ranking performance using an average can be tricky, especially if the numbers of gameplay varies. Keep that in mind. Depending on your choice of weight, you will get different results. Thank you for watching this video. Join the community for more content on practical solutions for turning data into information.